Hello everyone. This is a different kind of video that I'm bringing you this morning because I'm going to talk to you about 3 of my favorite pairs of yoga pants and why I love them for their function, their material, and their durability. So I'm excited to share with you because I have lots of yoga pants and I wear them all the time, and hopefully I can answer some of your most asked questions about these pants. All right, let's get into this. So I wear yoga pants every day, whether I'm teaching class, taking class, or to and from, or possibly flying somewhere in a car, or all the other reasons that most of you wear yoga pants as well, not just to yoga. I've chosen 3 pairs of pants that I think are super important, so I'm gonna talk you through those today. I've worn many brands such as Under Armour, Aloe, and then some other just kind of basic brands from department stores. But today I'm gonna dive into 3 different brands. So these pants are called Teki pants. T-E-E-K-I. They are super fun with their prints. So that's my favorite part of these pants, is that they are very soft to wear and the prints are beautiful. So these are a mermaid fairy princess print, I think is what they're called. But they feel really great on the body. They fit really well, but I prefer to wear these kind of if I'm at a festival or if I'm teaching yoga versus taking yoga. As you can tell, the waistband doesn't have plastic in it, but it also means it's super soft. So for me, they tend to fall down a little bit. I personally would think that you would size down in these pants just to make sure they stay well, but at the same time, you want to be careful of your waist to hip ratio. So kind of depending on that can affect kind of what size you choose. Like I said, they have super fun prints. So as you can see here, I have another pair of them. And they are stretchy, they feel really nice, and the material, again, super soft and made right here in America. So a great pant to wear, eco-friendly, and it's just a fun pant to own that you can wear. They look great in photos and just hanging out. So my second pant that I would choose is Inner Fire. So I actually found these pants when I was teaching at Wanderlust, and they are SPF 50, which is awesome because that way I don't have to worry about sunblock under my pants when I'm outside. And they also dry incredibly fast. So I actually taught hot yoga in them last night and was shocked that after I was done teaching, they were completely dry. They also make great prints. They also are almost 100% made from plastic bottles. They do have a nicer waistband that stays up, which I like, and it's a little bit thicker too. So Teki has that thicker waistband, so that's one thing that I think for all yoga pants, I would look for that thicker waistband because it's more flattering on the stomach, and it also kind of just hugs you in where you want to be hugged versus having to pull your pants up the whole time you're teaching or taking yoga or hanging out in your yoga pants if that's what you do instead. But I also teach stand-up paddleboard yoga. I paddle a lot, and so these are kind of my like outdoorsy, you know, I want to get wet, I want to dry quickly pant, and I find them very functional for that purpose. They are made in Canada. You can order them online, so through their website or even through Amazon, and I have a code for you guys later for those pants as well. My favorite pant to do yoga in, so if I am teaching yoga, taking yoga, not my favorite pant to hang out in, just because I love to wear them to practice in, is the Lululemon Align yoga pant. So these are newer yoga pants made from Lululemon. Lululemon normally creates staple items that stick around for a while. But again, they have a really wide waistband, which you can see right here. They have room for your bottom, which I enjoy, and they have room for your thighs. They go almost down to the ankle, and they have lots of different lengths based on your leg height to waist to torso ratio. So they're great for all heights. I generally just get the normal one that they sell, but they also have lots of different variations, like I said. They are incredibly soft. The only downfall of these pants is that they definitely show sweat. So yes, they're moisture wicking just like these pants are, but because of the prints and because of the patterns and the fabric, like these would show a lot of sweat in them. So if that's something you're trying to stay away from, I would just go with black or a darker color. But they are incredibly comfortable. I would only suggest yoga in them, not any other kind of activity. And again, I wish I owned them in every color. But I think that, you know, there's not that one yoga pant for me personally, just because I live in them and I've been in them for over 10 years of teaching and taking classes. But if you're gonna stick to a few brands, I'm happy to share with you some more favorites in another video. So please comment below if you have any questions. And I hope you guys have an awesome day. Good luck with your yoga pants search.
Relax.